You can try basic unclogging steps yourself, but call a plumber when simple methods fail or the problem looks structural. Start by turning off the water supply at the shutoff valve behind the toilet to prevent overflow before you do anything. Use a flange plunger only, not a cup plunger. Position it to form a tight seal over the outlet and push with steady, controlled thrusts rather than violent yanks to create pressure cycles that move the blockage. If a plunger does not clear it, pour a cup of dish soap followed by a bucket of warm water held a foot above the bowl and poured in one steady motion to lubricate and help break down organic clogs. For stubborn clogs, use an auger designed for toilets and feed it slowly until you feel resistance, then crank gently while withdrawing to avoid scratching the porcelain. Avoid chemical drain cleaners because they can damage the toilet trap and plumbing joints and create hazardous fumes. They also rarely fix obstructions caused by foreign objects. If you must clean up spilled wastewater, wear rubber gloves, use disinfectant and disposable towels, and dry the area thoroughly to prevent bacteria growth. Common mistakes include using the wrong plunger, which wastes effort and can push the clog deeper. Fix this by switching to a flange plunger and forming a proper seal. Another frequent issue is pouring boiling water or harsh chemicals which can crack porcelain and harm seals. Use warm water and soap and reserve chemicals as a last resort and never mix them. People also delay calling a professional when they see repeated backups, gurgling from other drains, or slow drains elsewhere, and that is often a sign of a mainline problem. Call a plumber before the situation becomes an emergency. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and give tools to post projects and receive responses. We also host a discussion community where we share experiences and ask questions, and we help contractors find work by letting them engage directly with potential clients.